Hey guys, I am so excited. I've got some amazing news to share with you today. I've had a heart murmur probably all my life, the doctors thought. It was diagnosed when I was in my 20s, when I was pregnant with my first child. Heart murmur is a leaky valve. It's called a mitral valve prolapse. As I say, probably had it all my life, but it was only diagnosed when I was pregnant. After they found it, the doctors decided that they would want to monitor me just to keep an eye on it because these things can get worse. So I had annual checkups for quite a few years. It was classified as mild and it wasn't getting any worse, so they took me off the annual checkups. So that was fine. Last year, I suddenly developed this really weird arrhythmia. My heart started to go nuts. I had ectopic beats, and basically I was getting loads of missed beats, and then my heart would stick in a load of extra ones. So it was all very disturbing. And they put me on bisoprolol to try and manage the arrhythmia, which it did. So that all got sorted out. They also gave me another echocardiogram, which was the first one that I'd had for years and years. I can't remember the last time I had one. But I was a bit disturbed, very disturbed to hear when they did that the heart murmur had got worse and was no longer classified as mild, but it was classified as moderate. So they said, we want you to put you on annual checkups again because of the arrhythmia, which obviously is now managed, and also mainly because this the mitral valve prolapse has definitely got worse. So we just need to keep an eye on you. So anyway, I had the echocardiogram, the repeat today. So it was a year after all the carry on with the arrhythmia and what have you. And I nearly fell off the couch because the lovely lady who was doing the examination said, well, I can't find a leaky valve. It's gone, it's not there. And it looks like your heart has repaired itself. Now, I've had this condition probably all my life, but at least for 30 years. It was getting worse. And now suddenly it's gone, it's repaired itself. Now I'm no medical person, haven't got a clue, but that looks like an enormous coincidence that I'm 4 months into the carnivore diet and suddenly this heart murmur has gone, disappeared. Has it repaired? Has it enabled my body to, given it the building blocks to repair the condition? I have no idea. All I can say is I'm super chuffed, very, very happy that that condition has gone now, and just want to shout this from the rooftops because it looks to me like there is a link. As I say, I'm no medical person, I don't know, but hey, I'm just blown away by it. So yeah, just had to share it with you.